Hello, I'm Crispin Jones from Mr. Jones Watches. Today we're going to be having a look at another aspect of the watchmaking process with Natalie, who's one of the watchmaking technicians here.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking you through the different steps of preparation. First we're going to look at the disc hands. After they're printed, they have to be laser cut. To do this, we keep them on the holders used through the printing process and align them on the laser cutter bed. The laser cutter cuts perfect circles. We take the discs off the holders and store them in boxes. When the batch is complete, we start riveting the discs using a tool we call a goat. The discs are then stored ready for assembly. Now we are going to look at the watch glasses. They are fitted into holders that they have to be popped out of before we are able to fit them into cases. One of the last stages in assembling a watch is trimming the stem to the right size and attaching the crown. I hope you found that interesting.
Thanks, Natalie. Although some of those processes seem quite small and quite minor when we think about watch assembly, they're actually what take the majority of time in terms of the making up of the watches. Join us next time when we'll have a look at another aspect of the watchmaking process here.
Bye.